Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make a necklace with crochet and beads. To make this necklace I made these buttons with puff stitches. So I made total 14 buttons with puff stitches, and at the end I put beads and puff in a thread to make a necklace. So let's see what all you need to make this crochet necklace. To make this I am going to use this glass beads, also this small beads, and to make the flower I am going to use this cotton embroidery thread, and with this thread I am going to mix this silk thread to give the glitter effect. And for this thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. So let's see how we are going to make this necklace. If you are working with thin thread like this, so just make 2 layers. Now make a magic ring. You can get a detailed video on how to make a magic ring in my previous videos. So once you made a ring, in this ring we are going to make the puff stitches to get this button shape. First make chain 1. So to make the puff stitch, grab the thread. Now take your hook in this ring. Now grab the thread and pull through that ring. So you will have 1, 2 and 3 loop in your hook. Now grab the thread, put that in ring, grab the thread and pull through that ring. So you will have 5 loops. Just make it little loose. Now grab the thread, put it in that ring. Now grab the thread and pull through that ring. So you will have 7 loop. Now again grab the thread, pull through that. Now you will have 9 loop in your hook. Now grab this thread and pull through all loop in your hook. Now make chain 1. So like this you get 1 puff stitch. Again grab the thread, put this in center. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times we grab the thread and pull through that ring. So at the end you will have 9 loop. Now grab this thread and pull through all loop in your hook. Now make chain 1. So this is my second puff is done. So like this you have to, if you want the size of the button like this, so here I made 6 puff. If you want in bigger size you can increase the number of puffs. Like this I will make all my remaining 4 puff stitches. So I made all my 6 puff. Now just pull this loose end of your ring. Now take your hook and top of very first stitch here. and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, pull this thread and cut with some margin. Now take this thread in a needle, put this needle in top of this stitch, pull this thread the back side. Now here, this is the thread from the ring. Just make a knot. So this button is ready. Just cut this extra threads. Now cut this extra thread. So like this puff button is ready. So I made total 14 buttons, 7 for left side and 7 for right side. Now what we have to do, take the thread in a needle and take your beads. So first I'm going to take this 16 beads in one side. So I put 16 beads in one side. Now we are going to take this puff in the thread. So take this bead, one. Now take this puff. So this is the back side. Take from the front side, and it has 6. So like this, to this side and to this side, and one in center. Now put your needle in the center. This. Now take this bead, this, pull this thread, and now take the needle from bottom to top in the center. Pull this thread. So like this golden bead come to the center. Now again take one golden bead, so like this. Again take another second puff. How we put our this puff, in the same way we are going to put all our 7 puff in this thread. So I have taken 7 puff buttons one side and this bead. Now this side I'm going to again put this bead and then this puff buttons. So this is all done. Now just take this thread and with this end cut this thread. Now we are going to just make a knot. So I hope you have learned from this video how to make this puff button and necklace with beads and crochet. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. You can also connect to me through my Insta and Facebook page. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.